To our top story this morning now. 3 days after shootout at Uttar Pradesh's Balia, the main accused, the BJP worker, continues to remain at large. The police have now so far detained 7 people on the case. However, 6 accused, including the alleged shooter Dhirendra Singh, are still at large. The FIR in the case also mentions 20 to 25 unnamed accused. The UP police have announced that the accused will be, in the case, will be charged under the stringent NSA and the Gangster Act as well. The UP Police's special teams are now on the lookout for the accused. The cops have also announced a reward of 50,000 rupees for any information on the absconding accused. On Friday, the accused BJP worker had released a video message claiming that he did not open fire at Balia and blamed the local officials for the shooting incident.
Bullets flew. Harrowing chaos followed. Some surrounded a dying man on the ground. And police captured the alleged attacker on the scene. But turns out the suspect, Dhirendra Pratap Singh, mysteriously escaped. Armed with a gun, he was first able to attend a public allotment of ration stores. An event presided over by senior district officials and guarded by local police at Balia's Durjanpur village on Thursday. He then allegedly opened fire on rival groups and fled after being briefly held.
मृतक के भाई द्वारा बताया गया कि वो मौके पर पुलिस द्वारा पकड़ा गया था। भीड़ भाड़ का फायदा उठा करके वो निकल गया। निश्चित रूप से पुलिस की लापरवाही प्रथम दृष्टया जो परिलक्षित हुई है, उसी कारण से थाना स्तर के जितने भी यहाँ पे पुलिसकर्मी मौजूद थे, अन्य जो भी यहाँ जिम्मेदार राजपत्रित अधिकारी थे, शासन द्वारा उनका भी संज्ञान लेकर अपने स्तर से कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
That's not the only incident. In an audio clip dating back to May 2019 that has surfaced on social media, Dhirendra allegedly issued threats to a UP police inspector for failing to adhere to his demands.
हनुमानगंज वाले पर नथुनी यादव ने 130-40 आदमी का दिया था, उसमें क्या किया आपने? रिपोर्ट लगाया क्या?
किस पे?
आपने निरस्त किया, दुकान सस्पेंड किया?
जाके एसडीएम साहब
प्रसाद वाला
जाके देखिए, एसडीएम साहब से पूछिए।
ए यादव जी सुनिए, जिस दिन मिल जाएंगे उसी दिन पूछ लेंगे हम। आप जानते नहीं हमको, ठीक है ना? 4 बार विधायक जी के फोन करने के बाद भी आप मत और गश्त कर रहे हैं।
हाँ।
सारा नखड़ा झड़ जाएगा आपका, आप जानते नहीं अभी।
Suspect Dhirendra Pratap Singh's Facebook shows he has been a member of the BJP since 2011, the year he retired as Army Jawan. Son of a retired teacher and father of 3 children himself, Singh's pictures suggests his proximity to BJP MLA Surendra Singh. The legislator also owned up this connection with the accused party worker.
बैरिया विधानसभा क्षेत्र का मैं विधायक हूं और धीरेन्द्र प्रताप सिंह जी हमारे चुनाव में, लोकसभा के भी चुनाव में एक सहयोगी कार्यकर्ता के रूप में हमारा सहयोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सहयोग किए हैं। तो मैं कैसे कह सकता हूं कि मेरा सहयोगी नहीं? बिल्कुल इसको मैं बिल्कुल मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता। हकीकत है कि हम बीजेपी का वो सहयोगी था, लेकिन चूंकि गलत गोलीकांड जो है दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, इसको हम लोग अच्छा नहीं मानते।
The burning issue of alleged lawlessness and negligence of police in Uttar Pradesh. The local administration in Balia is under intense pressure to capture the suspect as soon as possible. The question remains unanswered until it's conclusively investigated how he escaped in the first place after he was caught by the police at the scene of crime.
In the meantime, the local BJP leadership has sought to project the Balia firing as an act of self-defense.
अधिकारियों के माध्यम से जो जानकारी हुई है, उधर से सैकड़ों लोगों ने लाठी डंडा लेकर के धीरेन्द्र प्रताप सिंह के बहन को, धीरेन्द्र प्रताप सिंह के भाभी को, धीरेन्द्र प्रताप सिंह के पिताजी को और उनको भी सबको 7-8 लोग चोटिल हैं। एक पक्षीय जो है सूचना चला करके और समाचार चला करके समाज को न्याय से वंचित करना चाहते हैं। हकीकत ये है कि गोली कांड अच्छा नहीं है, ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, इसको अच्छा नहीं कह सकता।
Aside from the MLA's apparent defense, police have named 8 suspects in the FIR, including the main accused, Dhirendra Pratap Singh.
देखिए, जीने का अधिकार प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को है, लेकिन किसी को भी अधिकार नहीं कि दूसरे के जीने के अधिकार को छीन ले। और अगर कोई छीनता है तो मुझे लगता है उसके साथ वैसे ही व्यवहार किया भी जाना चाहिए।
That's how an elected chief minister once issued a tough warning to criminals. This time though, the Balia administration may have a lot of explaining to do on how the suspected killer escaped custody in the first place. With Abhishek Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.
Abhishek Mishra is now joining us for the very latest as far as the shootout at Balia is concerned. 7 held, Abhishek, 6 accused still absconding, and the main culprit, the main accused, the BJP worker, also still continues to be at large?
Well, absolutely, Chaiti. This is the only development so far, that the main accused is out of the police range. Police has not been able to do anything as of now. They kept claiming that, you know, they have a big force behind him. They are trying to fetch him. They are trying to capture him as soon as possible. Yesterday also, full day, we were following all the developments, but we could not find any lead by the police administration. There were also some speculation that he might surrender, but now the possibility of surrender are also not much there, because today is not the court. It's not possible to surrender in the court. On the other hand, police is very much keen to arrest him. But as of now, there is no clue with the police where actually he is. And on the other hand, we have seen one by one, he's releasing the videos. He's saying that whatever happened there, it was intended against him. And he's also alleging the police administration. So this whole case has now come in between the police administration versus the accused. But it remains to be seen. It's been more than 48 hours. Today is day 3. But it remains to be seen how police will be actually be able to arrest him. The kind of pressure
You rightly pointed out, Abhishek, thanks for joining us this morning with all those updates right there from Balia.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.